welcome to my channel. I am going to explaining a topic from optics. In optics, we are solving a problem in refraction. Actually, what is mean that refraction? Refraction is nothing but when light is entering from one optical medium to another optical medium, it changes its path. This phenomenon is called refraction. So now here the problem is the focal length of a converging lens is 20 centimeters and height of the object is 2 centimeters. An object is 60 centimeters from the lens. So where will the image be formed and what kind of image is it? So we are going to finding what is the height of the image, and that also we are going to finding, and what is the position of the image, what type of image that is. That everything we are going to discussing in this problem. So now here, for that we are doing one thing. They mentioned in the problem that is converging lens. You know what is mean that converging lens? So usually we are using a magnifying lens. So that also we call it is another name for that, converging lens, and convex lens also. So converging lens is nothing but either magnifying lens you call or else convex lens. So now I am drawing the symbol for the converging lens. This is the symbol for converging lens. From the given data, its focal length is 20 centimeters, means actually converging lens. If you are taking the object this side, means that side we have to take the focus. In the problem they mentioned focal length of the converging lens is 20 centimeters. F is equals to 20 centimeters and object distance also given by them, that is 60 centimeters, and height of the object also given by them, that is 2 centimeters. We had to find what is the object distance and as well as what is the height of the image. These two things we had to find, and we had to describe the characteristics for the image. First, so focal length, I am taking the object here, is the height of the object 2 centimeters, and now the distance between optic center to the object is called object distance, that is 60 centimeters. Then we had to find the image distance for this one as well as what is the height of the image. Now this is the direction of the incident ray. We are measuring that object distance in from optic center to object. That means in this direction we are going to measuring the object distance. So incident ray and measuring direction are opposite to each other. We have to apply the sign conventions for this. So definitely we will get negative sign here. So both are in opposite direction, means the incident ray is the reference ray. So with respect to the reference ray, whatever the direction we are measuring the distances, that all are opposite direction. If you are measuring, means we had to take them as negative, and same direction if you are measuring, that we had to take positive. So this is the direction of incident ray. Focal length is given by them, that is actually 20 centimeters. So converging lens, they told no, that's what we are taking. It is focal length is 20 centimeters on the side. With respect to the sign conventions, the focal length is in this direction we are going to measuring from optic center to focus, same direction. This is the direction of incident ray and this is the direction of measuring the focal length. So same direction means focal length is positive and height above the principal axis positive. I am taking the object above the principal axis, so that's why I am taking it as positive. And now we had to find what is the image distance and what is the height of the image. We know one formula, lens formula we are using to solve the problem. Lens formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here 1 by f, all the values we need to substitute in this equation. 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by, we don't know that actually, so simply we are taking as v only, minus 1 by u value 60. So minus 60 here minus, and here one more minus, this becomes plus. And now we had to find 1 by v, means v we had to find. So the 1 by v we are keeping here only, that 1 by 60 is coming this side. So 1 by 20 minus 1 by 60, that equal to 1 by v. Here LCM, if you are taking 60 is the LCM for this one, to 23 is minus 1 equal to 1 by v, that equal to 2 by 60 is equals to 1 by v. And finally we'll get it for this one. So 2 ones are 2 30s, you are going to get V value as 30 centimeters, or else we have to use here we are doing the LCM, so there may be a problem or difficult to do the problem. So better without doing the LCM, we have another alternative method. This formula will be changed as like this: 1 by F is equals to, so if you are taking LCM here for this in U and V, then this becomes as U and it goes to V here, that is nothing but U minus V. Then F is equals to UV by U minus V, reciprocal for this one. If you are going, then denominator goes to numerator and numerator goes to denominators for this one. Then F is equals to U value, we know that minus 60 into V we don't know, and U value minus 60 minus V. F value that we know, so that is 20 centimeters, that is equals to minus 60 V by, we can take common here, 6 minus, we can take common 60 plus V you will get here. So this negative sign are going to cancel, and this one 0 0 2 1s are 2 3s are, like this we can cancel and do the cross multiplication. 60 plus V is equals to 3V. Then 60 is equals to V, if it is going that side, 3V minus become as 2V, that means minus V plus V, if it is going that side, minus V. 3V minus V, 2V. Then 2V is equals to 60, that implies V is equals to 30 centimeters. Either this method or that method, anything you can follow. So finally we will get the same answer. So for this one, before only we are doing the LCM for this one, then this is another way of formula to write it: F equal to UV by U minus V, and by F equal to, from this formula we are getting from this only, 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, F equal to UV by U minus V. So you can do this method or this method, any one of the method you can choose for solving the problem. Now we had to find the height of the image. How to find the height of the image? For that we have a relation between object distance to image distance, object height to image height, that is magnification. Magnification is equals to height of the image by height of the object, or else image distance, that image distance by object distance is nothing but ratio of height of image to the height of the object, or the ratio of image distance to object distance. So now we are using that one to find the height of the image. So that for that we are doing magnification is equals to height of the image by height of the object is equals to V by U. So what are the values? We know that we are going to substituting here. Height of the image, that we don't know actually, so we are substituting that value as it is like that only, without we don't know, no unknown value, that is that we are going to finding. So height of the object, we know the height of the object actually 2 centimeters on the above the principal axis by 2 is equals to V value, just now we got 30 centimeters by U value, already in the problem they given it is minus 60 centimeters. We have to apply the sign convention. Actually 60 centimeters only given by them, but we are applying the sign convention for that one. So 0 0 going to get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are, and this one also going to get cancelled. So that implies height of the image is equals to minus 1, you are going to get centimeters. Height of the object is 2 centimeters, height of the image is 1 centimeter. This negative sign is telling that we are taking the object above the principal axis, but we got the image below the principal axis. Invert image, that means. And next one, so actually height of the object is 2 centimeters is there, but height of the image is 1 centimeters, means small image we got. Height of the object is greater than height of the image. So 2 greater than 1 is nothing but height of the object is greater than height of the image, means image height is small. That means we got the diminished image, and negative sign is telling that it is invert image, and 2 greater than 1, height of the object is greater than height of the image, is telling that it is diminished image. And if you are drawing the diagram for this one by using these values, and one more thing we had to show, that is a real image or virtual image. So while drawing the diagram you will get a clarity about that one. So this is the lens, convex lens, and we are taking the object above the principal axis, and this is the 60 centimeters object distance, and focal length is 20 centimeters. So now here our focus will be present. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then refracted ray passes through focus, then one more light ray passing through optic center, which is not deviating. So here to here 30 centimeters image distance, and this is the object. Actually this is the image, and is the height of the object is 2 centimeters, height of the image is 1 centimeter. So directly these refracted rays are intersecting, means what type of image you are going to get here? Real image. So what is the nature of the image? Real image. And we got the image below the principal axis now, so it is invert image. And next one, diminished image. So where you will get the image between center of curvature to focus, f2 to f1. So that means it's when if you are taking as f1 to f1. So image position between f1 and 2f1. So image position between f1 and 2f1. These are the characteristics for the given problem. So if you like this video, please support my channel. Thank you.